Klipsch RP-1200SW Review. Wireless bass monster or overhyped? Ever felt stuck with weak bass, clunky wires, and speakers that just don't deliver? Frustration creeps in when your sound system feels more like a limitation than liberation. Hours wasted tweaking settings, chasing cables, and still ending up with hollow sound that leaves movies flat, games uninspired, and music lifeless. You know you deserve more. Pure, room-shaking energy. Deadlines close in, stress builds, and burnout lurks, not just in life, but in your home setup too. You miss the chance to feel cinematic explosions rattle your bones, to dive into soundscapes that give goosebumps, to unlock moments where audio lifts you out of the ordinary. Every missed beat becomes another missed opportunity. Sound should never hold you back. Enter the Klipsch RP-1200SW Subwoofer with the WA-2 wireless kit. Your breakthrough to earth-shaking bass without the clutter. Powered by an 800-watt Class D amplifier and a rigid 12-inch Cerametallic driver, this beast transforms weak sound into an instant sonic tidal wave. The secret? A balanced design of cabinet, driver, and amp that pushes low frequencies down to 16 Hz with clean, distortion-free precision. Imagine watching a movie where a thunderclap doesn't just sound big, it ripples through the floorboards. Or picture gaming late at night, where every explosion and impact feels visceral yet controlled. One customer shared how a late-night movie marathon went from flat to unforgettable when this sub literally made their couch vibrate while keeping dialogue crystal clear. And with the WA-2 wireless kit, placement becomes pure freedom. No messy RCA cables snaking across the floor, just plug, power, and play. Whether it's the deep rumble of action films or the smooth pulse of basslines, the RP-1200SW doesn't just fill the room, it transforms it. The real magic lies in how the RP-1200SW upgrades everything. Streamlined setup, laser-sharp focus, and jaw-dropping performance. Industry analysts hail it as a benchmark in price-to-performance ratio, while home theater specialists call its Class D amplifier and Cerametallic driver a standout in its category. Influencers rave that it delivers tactile bass you don't just hear, you feel. One tech reviewer called the WA-2 wireless kit a game-changer, freeing them from cable chaos without any loss of power or sync issues. Real customers echo the hype. "This sub is a beast," said one, praising how it shook their living room without a hint of boominess. Another noted, "It blends perfectly with my Klipsch towers. Music sounds alive, movies sound massive." Think about it. How often does a subwoofer manage both raw power and refined accuracy? With adjustable crossover and phase controls, you fine-tune the sound to your exact taste. With premium build quality and up to 4 WA-2 kits working together, the RP-1200SW is as future-proof as it is fierce. So the only real question is, are you ready to feel what thousands already call the ultimate bass upgrade? Don't wait, limited stock won't last. Every day you hesitate is another movie, game, or track that falls flat. Secure yours today and join thousands who've already leveled up their home theaters with thunderous, distortion-free bass. The RP-1200SW isn't just sound, it's a seismic shift. With the WA-2 wireless kit, setup is instant, sleek, and stress-free. Act now, before this powerhouse slips away. Seize the chance, win the moment, and finally feel the bass the way it was meant to be.